Hello and welcome to Swans University. I'm Matthew, a member of the Accommodation Team. I'm thrilled to be with you today as you begin this exciting new chapter of your lives. Today we're going to cover some essential information that will help you make the most of your time living in our halls of residence. So let's dive right in. Our accommodation team is dedicated to helping you create a vibrant and supportive community while you're living in halls of residence. We're here to help organise community events, provide advice and guide you to access other support services. Whether you need to talk to somebody or help navigate university life, our team is always here for you. We have a variety of community events planned throughout the whole year, including coffee afternoons, beach litter picks and movie nights. Beyond events, we also help signpost you to the correct support services for a wide range of personal issues, from anxiety and homesickness to more serious concerns like domestic violence or substance dependence. We fully believe in a student-led community, so if you have ideas for events or need support, please don't hesitate to reach out to us, which you can find in your residence handbooks located in your kitchens. As part of our community, everyone has responsibilities. First, in case of a fire alarm, please evacuate immediately. Never tamper with fire equipment. This is not just a serious issue, but also a criminal offence. When it comes to interpersonal relationships, it's important to manage conflicts calmly and communicate effectively. Let's make sure we respect each other's space and privacy at all times. Safety is our top priority here. Please read the safety notice on the back of your bedroom door and be familiar with the evacuation procedures. Fire alarms are tested weekly, and it is crucial to keep corridors clear at all times. Remember, do not cover smoke detectors or prop open fire doors. Failure to comply with these rules will result in serious consequences, including mandatory fire awareness courses. You are responsible for any damage that occurs in your room or flat, including damage caused by your own guests. If no one is identified as responsible for communal area damage, the costs will be shared equally amongst all flatmates. It's essential to report any damage as soon as it happens to avoid further complications. Swans University is a smoke-free campus, and smoking is prohibited in all university buildings. This includes vaping also. If you do wish to smoke or vape, then you will have to go to one of the many designated smoking zones around campus. Now, on to drugs. We are not going to lecture anybody on drugs. You are all adults and we will treat you exactly like that. All we will do is make sure you are aware of the policies and our responsibility as a university. Swans University has a zero tolerance policy on drugs, and any instance of possession, taking or dealing will be reported to the police. Once it is reported to the police, they will then take over and deal with the incident accordingly. Breaching residence regulations in these areas could lead to severe disciplinary actions. Keeping your kitchen clean is a shared responsibility. Please make sure to clean up after yourself daily and do a deeper clean every single week. Proper waste disposal and recycling are also crucial, so let's all do our part to maintain a pleasant living environment. As you may already know, we do have cleaners who come to your flat once a week. However, they're just here to do a surface wipe and to keep on top of communal areas. They are not here to clean your dishes or rectify your mess, so please respect your cleaners by keeping on top of your flat. Living with others can be challenging, but clear communication can help prevent conflicts. For example, discussing noise levels, cleanliness, and how to handle shared responsibilities from the start can make things smoother. If issues do arise, try to resolve them amongst yourselves first. We are not responsible for any personal issues you have between yourselves, but if needed, we can signpost you to the relevant support services. On to the practicalities of campus living. You would have been sent your accommodation handbook via email. These booklets will also be located in your kitchens to read and refer to at any time. You will find most questions you have about campus living in these booklets, so please take a little time out to read these and refer back to them at any time. Transportation is easy with our Unibus service, which runs every 15 minutes from campus. You can purchase bus passes online, and we encourage you to make use of the university cycle scheme for a sustainable way to get around the city. Taking care of yourself is crucial, especially during your time at university. Make sure you register with a GP and dentist. These are both located on Singleton campus, where the doctors are on the ground floor of the Penn main building and the dentist on the ground floor of the Horton building. Staying healthy means eating well, staying hydrated and getting enough sleep, especially during freshers' flu season. Your safety on campus is paramount to us. Campus security is available 24/7 and we ask all students and staff to download the Safe Zone app. It's free and an amazing app for ensuring your safety while you're here at Swansea University. All you have to do on any occasion where you feel you need security assistance is open the app, press the button, and your GPS location will be shown to security, who will immediately be on their way to you. Respect is a core value here. We believe in treating everyone with dignity and understanding, and this extends to every interaction you have with your flatmates, neighbours, and university staff. If you haven't already, I encourage you to watch the Tea and Consent video, available on YouTube. It's a powerful reminder of the importance of consent. University life is full of changes, and adapting can be challenging. You will feel many ups and many downs throughout your university life, starting with the initial buzz and excitement of freshers, to lectures starting and exams. But don't worry, all this is completely normal. And the secret to let you in on is everyone is feeling the same. Remember, it's okay to feel overwhelmed sometimes, but you're not alone. Reach out to the support services available to you at university. We're all here to help you navigate these changes. There's so much to explore in and around Swansea, from beautiful beaches to vibrant nightlife, museums, live music, sport, and way more. There's something here for everyone. We are also looking for volunteers to be student halls reps. This is a fantastic opportunity to meet new people, gain valuable experience, and make a positive impact on your living environment. If you're interested, please apply. We'd love to have you on board with us. Finally, remember that support is always available. Whether it's through student support services or our on-site receptions, there's always someone to help you with any challenges you might face. So please, don't hesitate to reach out. We are here for you. Enjoy your time in halls and have a fantastic year ahead. Thank you for watching.